Hey everyone, it's Sam here and I'm back with another Papercraft Society unboxing. So for anybody new here, these are a card making / papercraft subscription box. You can take out a yearly subscription, 6 monthly, quarterly, or you can do a monthly subscription. That way it does work out more expensive. It's obviously cheaper to buy a year's subscription, but the nice thing with the subscriptions is you can pause them. So you do get to see ahead of time what the next box will be. Over on the Craft Stash YouTube channel, they do their unboxings. So you can decide whether or not you want to pause your subscription. It might not be something you like, but the whole purpose of these is to encourage you and introduce you to materials and different themes that you might not usually use yourself. So lots of people do enjoy the boxes, but like I said, you have got that option to pause as well, which is quite handy. So this box is by Funky Fossil. So if you are familiar with that brand and it's a brand that you love, then you're going to really enjoy this box. So as always, on the front, it gives you a little idea of what the theme and the color palette is going to be inside. So we've got these gorgeous kind of tropical leaves and these lovely pinks and greens and that gold foiling on the front. So inside here, a day without crafting is like, just kidding, I have no idea. I can totally relate, although I am getting better because it's also my job now that I do kind of step away at the weekends. So weekends at the moment I'm doing house stuff and DIY, but yeah, I can really relate to that because it's my life. I do it all the time. And that's from Sarah. So as always, we will look inside the envelope first and then have a look inside the tissue paper. So you get an envelope in every single box. I do have a playlist, I'll have it linked up here, with every single unboxing. So like I said, this is box 52, so we're into the 4th year now of the Papercraft Society. So have a little look through the playlist and that will give you an idea as well on how varied the boxes are and if it's something that you'd like to maybe start and try. So we've got 3 pockets. You've got craft like no one's watching, I just want to eat chocolate and make pretty things, and then worry less and craft more. And that's a definite, again, one that I follow. So in here we have, what I'm going to do actually is I'll take all of the plastic off first so we don't get any glare. Okay, so I'm just going to take the back of a piece of card here. So we have a die set here. So we've got a large love die here, so it's the word love with like a floral detail bordered around it, and then we've got these all look like they're cut out sentiments, which will probably be in the stamp set, along with these as well. So I imagine they all cut out those pieces, but this one here, oh, and that one comes out as well, so you can see the love there. So again, if you're doing any Valentine's makes, then this is going to come in handy. And there you go, you can see the middle of the O there. So let's just keep that one out and have a look at the stamp set here. So we have, I would rather wear flowers in my hair than diamonds around my neck. She needed a hero, so that's what she became. You are blooming amazing. And then it says Grace. So here, so show you what I mean about these dies. So that one cuts this one here. You've got this one, I think there. Ooh. You've even got one for Grace, and then this one here. So if you like to have your sentiments cut for you, then those dies will do that. And then I'm trying to work out, because there's 3 dies, but that one's not big enough for the head. I think this one, okay, so this one cuts just the floral arrangement on the top of her head. In fact, it might be easier. Some of you might be saying, I wish you'd put it against that white. There we go. So that will cut the flower out. So if you want to have that more 3D, which is a nice idea. And then this one will cut that one, and this one will cut, oh, there's another face. I go into these blind, guys. This is the first time I'm seeing it as I'm showing it. So there's another face here. I didn't even notice that. So you can see there. So I like that you've got your 3 separate florals. So you don't have to have them with the face, but you can also obviously have that part as well. So really unusual. I like that. Okay, so I've got, so I'm glad I've managed to work all that out. Okay, so we've got stamp set, die set. I've not put them back on very well, but that's okay. And then in here we have the pattern paper and 2 stencils. So again, I'll just flip it over there. So you've got that floral design, and then you've got that kind of geometric. You can make that really 3D depending on how you use your inks and blend it. And then for the papers, So we've got this one, which is like the stencil. You've got that marble design. So it's nice with these kind of like that navy purple colour, the rose golds and the gold as well running through, and you've got the glitter. And it's good actually because I've got a ton of rose gold cardstock. So I will be able to use that with this. You can see again, that one looks like waves. I know it's like a marble effect, but it does look like the waves, and this, where the pink is, that's like what would have been like the white from the waves and like the foam in the sea. You can see that one there. It looks like an ink or like a watercolour. You've got that kind of Baroque style. And this one, so they're all different. And then this glittery marble effect, and then that's the design that's on the front of the box. So a really nice selection, completely different colours to what I think we've had in any of the boxes. I'm just looking up at all of my envelopes. I don't think we've had this colourway really done before, so that's nice. So that's everything inside the envelope. Okay, so inside the tissue, again, always keep your tissue paper. I do. I use it for gift wrapping, so I'm going to take that out now. So you've got your book with all your inspiration, so we'll have a little look through that in a moment. We've got our coordinating cardstock. So you've got here a sheet of washi stickers. So they've got some of the designs in the paper, but you've also got some sentiments to sparkle and shine. And then this one says, live your best life. And you've got the butterflies there, and that's that same paper design. So they're really pretty. You've got the roses there as well. Then we've got a pack of ephemera, which I love ephemera. I've got lots of them in my own range, and they're just great for quick cards. So you've got, let's have a little look. You've got the bigger ones. I'll put them on the side here. So these are nice. You can stamp the sentiments from the stamp set inside. And these are just nice, like layered up. Another nice frame. All these are great for just stamping your sentiment. And then you've got these gorgeous, beautiful flowers. Breathe, sparkle and shine, live your best life. That's a nice topper. And then again, and then this one, true beauty comes from within. Love these. I would have loved more of these, especially this one. But yeah, really, really pretty. Love the big leaves there as well. I'm going to have to really think about what I want to do with these ones, because yeah, I'm always about using them. But when you've only got a few things like that, it's like, right, make sure I get something, you know, that I'm going to love. Okay, we then got another little stamp set. So this is a mini one, so don't look back. You're not going that way. Brilliant sentiment. And be beautiful. Oh, okay. So it's just broken down there. And you've got another image. This is the back of the lady. So she's got floral design coming over her shoulder and then all in her hair. And then there's another little floral there as well. So you've got, yeah, a really nice selection of stamps. And then in here, my guess is sequins. That's what they feel like. And they're those cute little flowers. We've had these before, but in, I think it was white or like an iridescent, but these are just little gold ones. And they're nice because they've got the holes in. You can also use a little bit of thread and stitch them onto your cards. They're very cute. You could stick them onto these as well. So you get loads in there. I will add those into my little jars with the rest, so I don't forget about those. And then let's have a little look at the coordinating card. So you've got your lovely pink there. So you've got 2 sheets of the, oh no, 3 sheets of the pink. It always varies. It used to always be the same. It was like two of everything and the pattern papers, but over the years it's started to vary more now. So this looks like 3 of each. Yeah, and this is white core. I always say it. White core is really good because you can create more kind of texture with it, and if you use it with embossing folders, you can have the white kind of break through. You can distress the edges, and it's really absorbent of your colours and inks. So yeah, you can do a lot more with a white core card. So 9 sheets of nice card, and then let's have a little look at some of the inspiration here in the booklet. So we've got a lovely card on the front here, so you can see that image. That's actually this one here, used from the mini set, with that sentiment. This is a much stronger paperback booklet this time, so that it feels really nice actually. So if you like to keep all your booklets out in like a little, you know, you've got a little shelf or something, these are lovely to just sit down. If you're stumped for some inspiration, you can have a flick through your Papercraft Society books. So this one here is lovely on the back as well. Heat embossed that image on some vellum and then the sentiment there. I won't show everything because although this has already gone out now to the subscribers, if you're seeing this and you'd like to get this box yourself, I think it's nice to have a few surprises. So I will, there's a little intro from Sarah Gray herself. You always get a contents list. Oh, this is nice. So that shows it coloured in there. You can see all that detail a lot clearer. Really pretty. And you get step by step there. I'll show you this one here. This is really pretty. So that's using those ephemera images that I love, with that lovely aperture card there with the sentiment. Actually, I like what they've done there. Who has made this one? Rachel. So some of these are probably design team members for Funky Fossil. That's the sentiment topper. So that is all of the ephemera used together. You can see how they've blended that one in. I really like that. And they've used like some extra little materials there just to add a bit more texture and stuff. So yeah, just a few ideas there on you know, how it all looks once it's added onto a card. I like that they've used the full kind of card size. It's probably like a 5x7 size card with that pattern paper there as well, the same as this frame. So that is everything inside box 52 from Papercraft Society. Like I said at the beginning, these are a subscription box, but once they've also gone out to the subscribers, if there's any open stock left, then it goes onto the Craft Stash website. So I'll share a direct link here to this box. I will also have that playlist coming up here. So like I said, you can check that one out if you want to just get a bit more of an idea on, you know, other past boxes and the kind of thing that you get. So thank you as always for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.